If you're looking to step up your cutting boards with handles, you need a jig that can handle them all. This week, we're working on the Handle Jig Plus. It features 2 adjustable phenolic plates attached to a central beam, allowing you to route handles into cutting boards or charcuterie boards of any size or shape. They're in production now, so let's head out to the shop and look at how we make this versatile router jig. First, we machine the adjustable plates from highly durable phenolic. The tracks are cut from extrusions, then anodized in our signature Woodpeckers red. We laser engrave both inch and metric scales you can use when setting the adjustable plates or the stainless steel stops. We use state-of-the-art video optics inspection to ensure the tool meets our strict specification. Then, over at the assembly department, we turn piles of parts into a versatile router jig. Lastly, your Handle Jig Plus is packaged and shipped directly to your shop. Like all Woodpeckers tools, each Handle Jig Plus is made right here in our shop in Strongsville, Ohio. You put a lot of thought and care into your cutting boards. Get a jig that can handle them all. Order your Handle Jig Plus today.